It's been really fun. I think I've learned how to loosen up and give myself permission to stretch my comfort zone and stretch my boundaries, and that's been continual. The number of exercises that she's done have been amazing, and they all teach me something new.
It helped also to approach art subconsciously, not so conscious and self-conscious. It's more like a feeling rather than, and letting go. Like, she's helped so much in letting go of control and letting it flow and happen organically more.
Okay. I think before, I come from a place of figurative artwork, so I think before I was pretty stuck in figurative, and now I feel like integrating and going forward with more abstraction, just in general, and trying to incorporate that into my work, and even kind of doing an offshoot of abstraction now.
And yeah, she helped me just get back into art. I haven't done art in years, so my sister conned me into doing this, and I'm so glad that she did, because it opened a door that was shut for a really long time for me. And it's good to get over not doing it and just do it. Stop being so scared and get on with it and see where it takes you and enjoy the journey.
Yep.
It's sort of a new approach. I've never done I was an art major in college. I never did abstract art. So this is all new to me. And, I love the fact that, you sort of let go of any kind of form or anything, and it was all like fluid motion and not thinking, and just unself-conscious, which what I needed, especially getting back into it. It helped, free me.
Yeah.
It's
like there are no mistakes, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And so it's very freeing to do something where, it doesn't matter. Even if I mess up, it's not really a mess up. I can work with it, right?
Right.
Isn't that along the lines of,
Right.
This is helping you?
Yeah, totally.
Julie, tell me a little bit about that.
I think it was really interesting, because at the beginning of the week we sort of started with no constraints, and then she sort of gave us more as the week continued, exercises where there were more constraints, and that was really helpful, I think. It just, to go to that point of chaos and then pull back and feel much more free within boundaries at the end of the week. I think it was great. You got a bunch of different perspectives, and everybody's really friendly, and in general, I feel like artists in general are pretty friendly people, and I think the group really gelled very well together, and everybody contributed something, and Nancy made sure that everybody's contribution helped each person's journey. So it wasn't just like, every time someone shared, everybody was kind of getting something from that.
And being together and being creative sort of fed off of each other.
Yeah.
And gave you new ideas to ooh, I like that effect. I'm gonna try that, which was neat.